Welcome by We Drive German. This is the story of the Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR AMG is a legendary car that has captivated automotive enthusiasts and racing fans around the world. Its story begins in the mid-1990s when Mercedes-Benz decided to compete in the FIA GT Championship, one of the most prestigious sports car racing series at the time. In order to participate in the GT1 class, Mercedes-Benz had to produce a road-legal version of the racing car as per the regulations. This led to the creation of the Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR AMG, a supercar that would go on to become one of the most iconic and sought-after vehicles in automotive history. The development of the CLK GTR AMG started in 1996 with the goal of creating a car that could dominate the racing scene. Mercedes-Benz partnered with AMG, their high-performance division, to enhance the car's performance and design. The project was led by a team of talented engineers and designers who pushed the boundaries of automotive technology and craftsmanship. The CLK GTR AMG featured a mid-mounted 6.9-litre V12 engine that produced an astonishing 612 horsepower. The power was transmitted to the rear wheels through a 6-speed sequential transmission, providing incredible acceleration from 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds and top speed of 320 km per hour. The chassis was made from carbon fiber and featured advanced aerodynamics, ensuring maximum downforce and stability at high speeds. To meet the requirements for road homologation, Mercedes-Benz had to produce a limited number of street-legal CLK GTR AMG cars. Only 25 coupes and 6 roadsters were built, making it an extremely rare and exclusive vehicle. The interior of the car was crafted with the utmost attention to detail, combining luxury and performance seamlessly. The CLK GTR AMG made its racing debut in 1997 and immediately proved its dominance on the track. It won the FIA GT Championship in its debut year, securing the team and driver titles as well. The following year, the car continued its winning streak, claiming the championship once again. The success of the CLK GTR AMG propelled it into the realm of automotive legends. Its distinctive design, ferocious performance, and racing pedigree made it highly coveted by collectors and enthusiasts alike. Owning a CLK GTR AMG became a symbol of prestige and exclusivity. While the car's racing career came to an end after the 1998 season, its legacy continued to grow. The CLK GTR AMG became a benchmark for performance cars, inspiring future generations of Mercedes-Benz sports cars and setting new standards in terms of engineering and design. Today, the Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR AMG is considered one of the most valuable and collectible cars in the world. Its rarity, combined with its remarkable performance and iconic status, has made it a highly sought-after vehicle at auctions and among automotive enthusiasts. Today, the Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR AMG is considered one of the most valuable and collectible cars in the world. Its rarity, combined with its remarkable performance and iconic status, has made it a highly sought-after vehicle at auctions and among automotive enthusiasts. The story of the Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR AMG is a testament to the pursuit of automotive excellence. It represents the fusion of technology, passion, and the relentless pursuit of victory on and off the racetrack. This work of art was auctioned for $10 million. Do you think the CLK GTR is worth this amount? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to know more about German cars, don't forget to subscribe. And if you liked this video, leave a like, we really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and see you soon at the next one. We Drive German.